Hey, welcome back to part 2. Crossfire B-DAMAN, tune-up gear CB53 conversion barrel control type. And we're trying to test this. Okay, blade outward. Get on there. Something is not right here. What the freaking heck is going on? Perhaps I should have started with that step first. So, I think that was the big problem here. Did not put this one on the first step. Yep. Looks like you gotta put these little flaps in first. Okay, for some reason this one doesn't want to snap in. Huh. There we go. And then build up. So you want to go this part first, then go with the nuts, and nuts one. Okay. Because what these little flaps do, I know a lot of you will be like, oh, if you put them this way, they'll give you more of a hold part. Nope. They are to kind of lock the barrel from spinning and turning, doing all that crazy stuff. So then we just slot the barrel together like this, and conversion barrel is finally built. Yeah. So you just put it on your B-DAMAN and keep sliding everything up, apparently. So, it first appeared in episode 3, I believe, a Crossfight B-DAMAN EX, which uses the Emerald Charge B-DAMAN on slot BUiLD, used by this character. I don't remember his name, but it first appeared with slot BUiLD. I believe it was episode 3? Could have been episode 4. But I really want to say it's episode 3 for some reason. As you can see here, it has all the tune-up gear. You know, the conversion barrel, which they double stacked the conversion barrel. So they just took 2 conversion barrels and stacked them together. That you see on the box. They used the feet from Drive Garburn, and they use Cyclone magazine, which is just a tornado magazine with a little lid on it. But a lot of people were saying use this, the conversion barrel, on Drive Garburn. As you can see here, they are showing that it is used on Drive Garburn. They're advertising it in the show on this packaging on slot BUiLD, but in the show I seen it on slot BUiLD. So we'll just move these to the side for the moment and just kind of lock it in here. So there it goes. And kind of control tests here. Goes in. Emerald Charge. Kind of strafe power shot. Let's see. We just unlock the barrel here. And then to do its kind of lock-on gimmick. We take it and we flip this one out. We flip this one out, and then we flip. We don't snap that one. We flip this one out, and again we don't snap it. What the heck's going on here? And I know that's not lined up properly, but oh well. You kind of got something like that. My camera battery's about to die, but you kind of get this kind of quad barrel going on thing, and then if you snap them apart and reset them, you kind of got like this long chain barrel going on. So if you got like big magazines, like, give me a second here. Like for example, REViEW with his Tornado magazine, you could take the barrel and put it in this conversion configuration, where it's all stacked up on top, so you can see over the magazine and use it. Here's the better thing. So I'm trying to go for this one right here, but it's going to turn out right because the camera battery's about to die. And I'm not showing this one on camera because battery's about to die, but you see the magazine, put it this way, so you still got the scope function. To me, it's definitely worth it. Let me get this off my B-DAMAN. Yeah, it goes on and off pretty easy. Unlike the other tune-up gear, which is a little bit harder to use. So let me quickly spin this around. And it does have a tendency to try to pop itself off. So give me a second here. Slightly frustrating. Not gonna lie about that. And there we go, back into conversion barrel mode. So where you get the little instruction card, the barrel, the stickers, and two little 1-inch sprue frames. All in all, I definitely recommend you go and pick this up. It's better than the grip barrel, than the one that came with the American Strike Cobra. I can't quite recall what that one was called. But I do have it. Give me a second here to go and get it. Yeah, this little one. They're supposed to act like, oh, I'm a little barrel with a grip, and I got a little scope. Scope was completely useless. The grip was useless. The barrel was useless. If anything, pick this up. The conversion barrel. It's definitely a piece that's worth it, and you're gonna have a lot of fun with it. Using different configurations. And one of the other gimmicks is, if you buy 2 conversion barrels, you take these parts, so you have this one on, you take another one, and see where these little head holes are? You take another one of these, you just build the barrel part, and you set it on, so you kind of have a double stacked barrel. Is this worth it to pick up? Definitely. I love it. It's great. It works fantastic. So yeah, I picked it up off of Amazon between $7 and $10 from PowerPid 88 PowerPid. Remember to rate, subscribe, and like. Alright, thanks. Bye.